What do you think? Julie girl.
Good one.
Say, excuse me.
Wow. This episode of Tummy Time is brought to you by Home Depot and Taco Bell.
Beano. Are you self-propelled?
Who's our pretty princess?
That's you.
Something stuck to her chin. Oh, that's just more drool.
This is just really...
Wipe it up. Good job, kid.
Use your arms, honey. You're doing a good job. Use your arms. Use your... Okay. Use your arms. Hi. Hi, you. Yeah, if you keep working on your arms, soon someday you'll be able to crawl.
Is it nap time?
Ooh. It's nap time. I love you. I love you. Even when you're Tootie. She's like, why are you laughing? You're so cute. Yeah. Say, okay. Yep, just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Uh-huh. Just like that.